Yo, what's up, yo, guys? So, tulog ako kagabi, hindi ako napag-record, but pagod ako. Parang akong lalagda din. So, share ko lang yung kahapon is, we only had one sale, so, walang, wala rin akong, I didn't work on, hindi ako work sa store kahapon, more on product research ako, shit like that. And, ito lang kinita natin kahapon. So you guys can see, let me make sure not to leak anything. So ito lang, man, one sale. So yeah, that's fine. Actually ngayong araw, woke up with 250 in total sales without doing anything. So kahapon halos wala, isa lang. And then today we had 3 orders. So you guys can see today 3 orders. So I'm not gonna complain since I didn't even fucking trying, you know. So record na rin ako for ito. Para to kahapon day 60, diba? Tama ba? Let me check actually. Ano ko day 60? It's day 60. So yeah, that will be day 60. And yun, pinakita ko na yung day 61, which is $250. So, kakagising lang natin. So, day 50 yun. Ay, day 60 pala. So, hopefully, may karoon pa tayo ng sale. Kahit isa, so, we're closing the day with $300 or what. Actually, kahapon, kaya din wala tayong sale nun kasi may mga products na out of stock na. So, I think that is the reason kung bakit wala halos kasi yung product na yun is halos doon yung sale eh. Doon ko kinukuha yung mga sale na usually na sale natin kada araw. Sorry guys, kakagising ko lang. Medyo lutog pa ako mag-isip. At least kahapon, hindi ko alam, bigla ako nakatulog. Tapos nagising ako around 6 a.m. na, 3 a.m. and then yung naglatag na ako dito ng higaan ko. So, para pagising ko, boom, busy, work na agad, no? Which is very convenient para sa akin. Since may okay na malamig naman dito kasi may aircon naman. Yun, aircon naman. So, yeah, cannot complain. And, confident kasi dito sa kwarto. So, ano ba? I'm trying to see if may nakaligtaan ba ako. So basically yun lang yun. Yung sa stocks, wala nung stocks dun sa dalawang binibenta ko. So kahapon, spend my time like doing product research and shit like that. So may nahanap ako. Tatlo. That could be winner if market lang natin na maayos. I think ma-market natin yan. And then mag-start ako ng bagong store which is on pet niche, you know. So yun yung itatry ko na niche. So I think that would be great niche kasi nga pet niche is passionate niche. So therefore, maraming mga fur parent na gustong bilan ng mga toys yung mga alaga nila. I could have started like nung Q4 pa, nung start of the Q4, pero tsaka ko lang naisip, pero that's fine, we can do it the next Q4. So ready ko lang yung store. So like I said, going to yung store ko ngayon is gagawin ko siyang brand talaga, as in brand na siya. So if nakikita nyo lang website, sobrang branded na siya, as in parang fucking legit na siya. So yun din yung balak ko gawin sa next store ko, which is sa pet niche. And basically yun lang muna, quick update na to. So kahapon yun nga, just to summarize everything, kahapon isang sale lang, which is $43. So without doing any shit, which is good. And then ngayon pagising natin, day 4, hindi ko nasasama. Hindi ko naman sasama yung day 61. So, it's gonna be a different video. Gawa pa ako ng video mamaya para dun sa update niya. So, this is gonna be day 60 lang muna. So, then day 61 yung next. So, day 60 is 42.99 or 43. May isang sale tayo, which is good. And, yeah. So, basically, that's it. And, yun na muna guys. Update ko na lang kayo. Later today, sa day 61. So, yeah, peace.